Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, go and pick up on yourself. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do these jumbo knotless braid on yourself. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, like, comment, and share. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we're going to start off with the material that we'll be using. I will be using Eco Styling Gel, a rat tail comb and a big tooth comb, and a scissors, and definitely the braiding hair. These are pre-stretch braiding hair. So guys, what we're going to do now is to unravel the twist in just the front section. And then we're going to start off by parting the hair in smaller sections so we can braid the hair. I'm not so neat at parting my hair, but I do try. So please don't judge me, guys. I really did try. So we're gonna do the other section just the same way. We're gonna actually do 4 big braids in the front. So we're trying to get those parts as neatly as possible. So guys, we're gonna definitely go over the front section one more time, but what I'm doing now is to just part off my first section of hair that I'm gonna braid, but definitely we're gonna go over the front parting one more time. So we're definitely gonna use some Eco Styling Gel to slay my edges down and all those loose hair, so when I start braiding, my hair can look sleek and slay, you all. So we're gonna take that edge brush to brush the hair in like so, and I'm gonna try and show you guys or demonstrate to you guys how I actually braid my hair. So definitely need the braiding hair. These are pre-stretch braiding hair. Definitely have to use the pre-stretch because of it doesn't tangle free. Less tangling, guys, less tangling. So that's the amount that we will be using to start off braiding. And what I will be doing is to section my natural hair in 3 pieces, guys, 3 pieces. And then what I will be doing is to use my index finger and place the hair underneath my natural hair, and we're gonna continually braiding the hair underneath my natural hair all the way down. So guys, please continue to watch and I will demonstrate how I braid my hair. did I do, guys? Did I do a great job, or did I do a okay job? Leave a comment down below. We're not finished yet, guys, so what you see me doing now is taking some hot water. Be very careful if you're gonna try this, and I'm placing the ends of my hair in the hot water to get them as straight as possible, like so. Then we're gonna cut off the loose ends, the one we're shaping up the hair actually. So we're cutting off the loose ends and shaping up the hair. So guys, this is the final result of my hair. Hope you like my video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye now.